Right, let's talk selling on Facebook. So my stuff is set up to sell on my Facebook page. It's an example really, but you can make stuff available or not available on your Facebook page as you choose. You can decide to pay to show it or not in your shop. Various settings, manage your products to automatically do that, and then you can go to your Facebook page here and you'll see the shop. So this is mine, all products, share products. There's more information on it. I've been messing about with mine, but I just want to show you that you can do it. You can set it into collections and things like that. I'm going to buy this hat, but you can see, you can go through all the various colours for the hat. Check out on the website. You can check out directly on Facebook, but your customer can ask you questions about it, but this person can come again and ask information, or I don't know if I'm going to be able to log in. I was hoping to remember the last person, but let's just do it again. Let's just go back here. Let's go back to Facebook, check out. So the person can go contact Facebook. This is just so we know the Facebook buyer. That's not the real name. 26 Goodbye Street, City, Doncaster. No, I'll try and put something that's relatively free discount should still work. And continue shipping, free shipping, and review order. Someone's just then, that's just sent it to print. Yeah, that's just sent that hat to Printful to say that I've someone's bought that hat, because they do the fulfillment for that. So that is it. Someone's bought on Facebook. They've gone to your page. You know, the beauty of it, you can share it, people can comment on it, people can review it, stuff like that. You can check out directly on Facebook, or you used to be able to, so Facebook will take the money and there'll be a fee for that, but you can actually sell it direct on Facebook without them having to go to the website, which is cool as well. So that is how to sell on Facebook.